Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you all of the decor pieces that I put together using Dollar Tree items, and these are all Valentine's Day decor, and some of them you can even use year-round. So I really hope that you enjoy all of these pieces I put together and that you stick around for more DIYs. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. For my first project, I'm going to be using these Dollar Tree frames, and to make them all match, I'm going to be spray painting them with Rust-Oleum's metallic gold. And here you see me spray painting 3. I only ended up using 2. So once they were fully dry, I took them inside and I used these 2 Dollar Tree gift bags. They both come in one pack, which is a steel. And I just took off the handle, and for the large one, it kind of fit pretty good, so I didn't cut it down. I just put the backing back on and smushed that down. I know I totally did this the lazy way, but you can cut yours down. For the smaller one, I did have to cut it down, so I just used the backing to measure it out, and then I used scissors to cut it out and put it into the frame. For the second DIY, I used this gumball from Dollar Tree, and I just took it apart, and it's pretty easy to take it apart. I used this color Candy Pink to spray paint it, and I let that dry really well. And then for the inside, I used these stickers from Dollar Tree, and I cut out a little piece of a to-go container just so I can have a clear background, and so I can put this inside of the top of the gumball and give it the illusion that it's floating, kind of like a snow globe. So now I just put everything together, and I added sweet tarts. Originally, I was gonna use Christmas snow, like the little foam balls, but it looked awful. So I opted to use the sweet tarts, which actually ended up looking super cute. So once all of my sweet tarts are in and arranged, I just put my lid back on, and that was that. For my next DIY, I used this love sign from Dollar Tree. I also used this giant ring from Dollar Tree, and what I did was pry at the top to try and remove what's supposed to be the diamond, and lucky for me, it came off right away. So now I went outside and gave the love sign a coat of candy pink and let it dry really well. I also painted the ring metallic gold just so everything matches. So once everything was dry, I used these Dollar Tree succulents and just hot glued them up top. I kind of wanted to make this look like a planter so that it looked a little bit functional, I guess. When that was completely dry, I just took my engagement ring and wedged it onto the side. You can E6000 yours, but I just wanted it to look casual. For the next DIY, I used this sign from Dollar Tree and this striping tape also from Dollar Tree. And I just started to create random lines all over the heart. I made sure that they all connected in some way. And once I had the entire heart full, I used baby pink as my first accent color. Then I used pale daffodil, cloudless, and vintage white, which are all colors that I've used in various DIYs. So once that was done, I was a little impatient and removed my tape. It all came out in one piece since I made them all connect. And I let it dry and added my photo. And that's it. You have 4 beautiful Valentine's Day DIYs that can be used all year round. I really hope that you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.